Dear friends, we are studying chapter number 3, 9th standard, coordinate geometry. In its exercise 3.3, we have the first question. In which quadrant or on which axis do each of the points -2, 4, 3, -1, -1, 0, 1, 2 and -3, -5 lie? Verify your answers by locating them on the Cartesian plane. Now see, first point is, see again I am reading the question. In which quadrant or on which axis do each of the points -2, 4? We have already studied. In first quadrant both the coordinates are positive. In second quadrant x coordinate is negative, y coordinate is positive. In third quadrant both the coordinates are negative. In fourth quadrant x coordinate is positive and y coordinate is negative. So first point is -2, 4. -2, 4, -2, 4. Understand, x coordinate is negative and y coordinate is positive. It means this point will lie in second quadrant. Now next point is 3, -1. So here x coordinate is positive, y coordinate is negative. So here it will lie 3, -1. 3, -1 means x coordinate is positive, y coordinate is negative, hence it will lie in fourth quadrant. Next point is -1, 0. So -1, here y coordinate is 0. Please note, y coordinate is 0. It means this point will lie on x axis. And don't say that the point lies in any of the quadrant. This point don't lie in any of the quadrant. It lies on the axis and not in the quadrant. Then next is 1, 2. Both the coordinates are positive, hence it will lie in first quadrant. And the next quadrant is -3, -5. Here both the coordinates are negative, hence it will lie in third quadrant. We have already studied that in third quadrant both the coordinates are negative. Let us locate these points. First point was -2, 4. -2 and 4. -2, x coordinate is negative and y coordinate is positive. So this point is -2 and 4 and it lies in second quadrant. This is second quadrant, this is first quadrant, this is third quadrant and this quadrant is the fourth quadrant. So let us give some name to the point, capital A. Now next is 3, -1. So this is positive 3 and y is negative. So this is 3, -1. 3, -1. It lies in fourth quadrant. Then third point is -1, 0. -1, x is -1 and y is 0. So this is x is -1 and y is 0. So point lies on the axis. -1, 0 lies on x axis. Then fourth point is 1, 2. The x coordinate is 1, y coordinate is 2. So this point is 1, 2. Let us give some name. I have not given name to this point. C is the point. C is this point. E is this point. Next point is -3, -5. -3 and -5 is this point. -3, -5. Please note, again I am mentioning, in first quadrant both the coordinates are positive. In second quadrant we have x coordinate negative, y coordinate positive. In third quadrant we have both the coordinates negative, and in fourth quadrant we have x coordinate positive and y coordinate negative. This is example number 1 from exercise 3.1. We were asked to verify these answers by locating them in the Cartesian plane. So we have verified them by locating the points. So please note, 1, 2 lies in first quadrant, -2, 4 lies in second quadrant, -3, -5 lies in third quadrant, 3, -1 lies in fourth quadrant, and -1, 0 lies on x axis. Dear friends, let us go to the next question from coordinate geometry, 9th standard, 3rd chapter, exercise 3.3. Second question is, plot the points xy given in the following table on the plane choosing suitable units of distance on the axis. We have selected the scale. On x-axis is 1 centimeter is equal to 1 unit, on y-axis 1 centimeter is equal to 1 unit. This can be written combinedly. On both axes we have 1 centimeter is equal to 1 unit. So this is example number 2, exercise 3.3, example number 2. So we have to locate. First point is negative 2, 8. Negative 2, 8 is, this is a negative 2 and 8 will be this point. So negative 2 is the x coordinate and 8 is the y coordinate. Here x coordinate is negative. We have already written this negative and positive. X coordinate is negative and y coordinate is positive. It means it lies in second quadrant. Now next point is negative 1, 7. So again x coordinate is negative, y coordinate is positive, so it will also lie in second quadrant. Let us check. This is negative 1 and positive 7 is this point. This is negative 1, positive 7. This is negative 2, positive 8. Give some names to this. I have given A and B. You can give any alphabet, but it must be denoted by capital alphabets. Normally that is the standard way of writing the points. 0. Third point is 0, negative 1.25. So x coordinate is 0. X coordinate is 0. It means the point lies on y axis. So x coordinate is 0. So point will lie on y axis and y coordinate is 1.25. Please note this is 1. This is 1. Small line is 1.1. Second small line means 1.2 and third small line means 1.3. This point is 1.25. Negative 1.25 means it lies between second small line and third small line. So this point lies here on y-axis. So coordinates are 0, x coordinate is 0, minus 1.25. Let us give some name to this point. I have given capital C. Fourth point is 1, 3. So x coordinate is 1, y coordinate is 3. This is the point. X coordinate is 1, y coordinate is 3. Let us give some name, capital D to it. Then comes 3, negative 1. So x coordinate is positive and y coordinate is negative. It means this point lies in fourth quadrant. That is x coordinate is positive, y coordinate is negative. This is fourth quadrant. If both are positive, it lies in first quadrant. If both are negative, then it lies in third quadrant. Last point is 3, negative 1. X is 3, y is negative 1. So this is the point. X is 3, y is negative 1. Let us give some name to this point. E. So we have located 1, A, B, C, D, E. 5 points in the Cartesian plane.